If you need to book a meeting on Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can schedule your appointment in just a few minutes. Whether you're booking a client call, interview, consultation, or team meeting, Calendly makes it simple and fast. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Calendly scheduling link that you received. This is usually the link the host sends you by email, chat, or on a website. Once you open it, Calendly will load the booking page for that person or business. On this page, you'll usually see a calendar on one side and available time slots on the other. Next, select an available date from the calendar. Calendly will automatically show only the days that have openings, so you won't need to guess or check manually. Click the date that works best for you and then look at the times available for that day. If the host is in a different time zone, Calendly usually adjusts the schedule to match your local time, which makes booking a lot easier. Now choose a time slot that works for you. This is the exact meeting time you want to reserve. Click the time you prefer and Calendly will take you to the booking form. At this point, make sure the time looks right before moving on, especially if you're booking across time zones or scheduling something important like a job interview or a sales call. After that, enter your name, email address, and any required information. Calendly may ask for basic contact details so the host knows who the meeting is with and can send you reminders. In some cases, there may also be a note field where you can add context about the meeting. Take a moment to fill everything out carefully so the host has the right information. If the host has added any extra questions, complete those next. Some Calendly booking pages include custom questions like your company name, meeting topic, phone number, or a short message about what you'd like to discuss. These questions help the host prepare ahead of time, so answer them clearly and accurately. Once everything is filled out, click Schedule Event or Confirm, depending on what the booking page says. This is the final step that locks in your meeting time. Before you click, it's always a good idea to double-check the date, time, and email address so you know everything is correct. After you submit the form, wait for the confirmation page to appear. This page tells you that your meeting has been successfully booked. You may also see the event details, such as the date, time, and meeting link if it's a virtual call. Don't close the page too quickly because it may contain important instructions from the host. Finally, check your email for the meeting confirmation and calendar invitation. Calendly usually sends an email right away with all the booking details, and you can add it directly to your calendar. If the meeting is online, the confirmation email may also include the video call link or meeting instructions. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. And that's it, you've now booked a meeting on Calendly. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and it saves time by letting you pick an available slot without back and forth messaging. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.